Hey Resinators, hope you all are having a fantastic day. Okay, so I have a new question for you today. I'm wondering, what is your just top number one favorite food? So for me, it's been the same thing since I was a kid. Fried catfish. I am literally obsessed with fried catfish with Louisiana hot sauce. So I just got done finishing that up for lunch, and guys, I am just on cloud nine right now. My favorite meal. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite meal. Also, I wanted to show you my newest Domino set that I made for a customer. This one I was super excited to make. They wanted red, blue, and purple. And I just added silver iridescent glitter, and I put sparkly black resin for the back. And I just love how these dominoes turned out. But I cannot figure out what color I want to use for the dots. So I'm torn between silver and black for the dots. So you guys let me know in the comments, what color should I pick? Make sure to follow if you want to see what I go with. All right, guys, peace. Hey Resinators, so I hope all of you are doing well. So today I thought that it was time for a little bit of self-love. So what I want for you to do in the comments is drop one thing that you are proud of that you have done recently. So for me, I've been really working on my procrastination and trying to get stuff done as soon as possible, as opposed to like putting it off for as long as I can. So I can't lie, I'm pretty proud. So you guys gotta let me know what you're proud of in the comments. Also guys, I wanted to show you one of my newest custom jewelry box slash like trinket container. I also use these for my domino sets. So this box was actually made for a full domino set. I'll be showing you guys the final results to those dominoes in the next video. But for this one, the customer wanted red, purple, and blue. And I decided to go with the sparkly black to go along with, or go for the base of the box and of the dominoes. And guys, I just love how this sparkly black turned out. It's like literally a galaxy within itself. So this is all of the pieces. Once I put the whole box together, I thought that it came out super pretty. It has a very cool galaxy look. So you have to let me know in the comments what you think about the final results. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the final results to the matching dominoes for this box. All right, guys, I love your faces. See you in the next video. Peace. Hey Resinators, hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend so far. So this is part 2 of my latest custom domino set. So for these dominoes, I was asking you guys if I should go with silver or black for the dots. And oh my gosh, there was a lot of comments for silver. There were quite a few for black as well, but I still couldn't decide, so I had to try both. And guys, I'm not even gonna lie, even after I colored them both in, it was still hard for me to decide. But overall, I think that silver just spoke to me the most. It really popped against the colors, and I think that silver was the best pick. Now, I am so glad that I went with silver, but as I was doing it, I was really wondering which color you guys would have decided. So do you think that it looked better with the black or the silver? So once I was completely done, I couldn't help but to add black still in there because I thought the black looked so cute. So I decided to go with the black acrylic painter for the line in between the dots on the dominoes. So this is a little bit different than my normal look, but guys, I think the final results came out super spacey, and I really hope my customer loves it. So you guys have to let me know what you think about the final results of my latest dominoes. And also make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more, because I already have 2 more custom domino sets coming up. So stay tuned. All right, guys, as usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Deuces.